Very good morning, medical students. Our running topic is statistics. So from that today I am going to explain how to find the arithmetic mean by using step deviation method. So today I am going to explain about step deviation method. Already we completed how to find the mean by using direct method and also deviation method. So today I am going to explain about step deviation method. So the form wise, mean is equal to A plus sigma Fi Ui by sigma Fi into H. So to find the mean by using step deviation method, formula is A plus sigma Fi Ui by sigma Fi into H. In this, what is the meaning of A? A is nothing but assumed mean. And Ui is equal formula Xi minus A by H or Di by H. Then H is equal to class size or class interval. So, formula to find the mean by using step deviation method is X is equal to A plus sigma Fi Ui by sigma Fi into H. What is the meaning of A? A is nothing but assumed mean. And Ui is equal to Xi minus A by H or Di by H. And H is equal to size of the class. These are the steps to find solution by using step deviation method. Step 1. Choose A from class mid values. Step 2. Obtain Ui is equal to Xi minus A by H. Step 3. Multiply the values of F and U. Step 4. Find sigma Fi Ui. It means you have to find the sum of the Fi and Ui column. Step 5. Mean is equal. Step 5. Apply the formula. Mean is equal A plus sigma Fi Ui by sigma Fi into H. So these are the steps you have to follow to find the mean by using step deviation method. The following distribution shows the daily practical allowances of children. You have to find the mean of this distribution. To find the mean of this distribution, first what are the class intervals? 11 to 13, 13 to 15, 15 to 17, 17 to 19, up to 20. Then after, what is the frequency column? 7, 6, 9, 13, 20, 20, 24. Next I need what? I need X. What is the meaning of X? Class mid values. Class mid values. Already we know what is the process to find X. Here, what is the class here? 11 to 13. So 11 plus 13 by 2 is equal to 24 by 2 is equal to 2. 12. So mid value of the 11 to 13 class is 12. Then after 11 to 13, 13 to 15. How much increasing here? 2 increasing. So 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 20 plus 2, 22. 22 plus 2, 24. Then after I need Di. Di means deviation. What is the formula to find Di? Xi minus A. To find deviation Xi minus A. See here. So to find the, what is the step 3? Assumed mean. I need one assumed mean value. So from the, in this frequency column, what is the highest frequency? 24 is the highest frequency. So class mid value of the highest frequency I am taking as assumed mean. So what is the class mid value of the highest frequency column I am taking as A. Then after, what is the meaning of A here? 24. Xi minus A means 12 minus 24 is equal to minus 12. Then after xi minus a means 14 minus 12 is equal to minus 8. Okay, next 14 minus 24 is equal to 8. Then after 6 minus 10. 16 minus 24 is equal to minus 8. Then after 18 minus 24 is equal to minus 6. Then after 20 minus 24 is equal to minus 4. Then after 22 minus 24 is equal to minus 2. Then after 24 minus 24 is equal to 0. Then I need ui. What is the ui here? Di by h. To find the ui, di by h. What is the meaning of h? Class size. So see here, take the lower boundaries or upper boundaries. 11 to 13, 13 to 15. What is the difference here? 2. So this is called the class size. Here, what is the class size? 2 is the class size. Then di means minus 12 by 2 is equal to minus 6. Then after minus 10 by 2 is equal to minus 5. Minus 8 by 2 is equal to minus 4. Minus 6 by 2 is equal to minus 3. Minus 4 by 2 is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 by 2 is equal to minus 1. Then 0 by 2 is equal to 0. Next, what I need here? Fi and ui. You have to multiply the f column and also u column values. Here, what is the frequency of this column? 7. 7 into 6. How much? Minus 42. Then after 6 into minus 5. Minus 13. Then after 9 into minus 4. Minus 36. Then after 13 into minus 3 is equal to minus 39. Then after 20 into minus 2 is equal to minus 40. Then after 22 into minus 1 is equal to minus 22. Next 24 into 0 is equal to 0. Next I need sigma fi and ui. So added all values. All are in negative. So added all values. You will get minus 209. By adding the all values you will get minus 209. Next what I need here? Sigma fi and ui. Add all these values. You will get 101. So a is equal to 24 and sigma fi ui is equal to minus 209. Here a is equal to 24, sigma fi ui is equal to minus 209, sigma fi is equal to 101 and h is equal to 2. So what is the mean here? A plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. What about the 24 plus sigma fi ui means minus 209 by 101 into 2. Now multiply this is equal to 24 plus into minus minus plus into minus minus. You will get the answer 418. It means 418 by 101. Now divide the 418 by 101. You will get the answer 4.13. 24 minus 4.13. Now subtract that. You will get the answer 19.87. 19.87. So what is the meaning of the table? 19.87. What is the meaning of x? X is nothing but class mid value of the class. So 100 and 150. 100 plus 150 by 2 is equal to 250 by 2. Now cancel this. What is it here? 125. So what is the value of the x of the column? 125. Then after 175. 50 increasing. Then after 225. Next 275. 325 and 375. Next, di is equal to xi minus a. What is the value of the di? Xi minus a. A means assumed mean. So in the frequency column, what is the highest frequency? 12 is the highest frequency. 225 I am taking as assumed mean. Then after xi minus a means 125 minus 225 is equal to minus 100. Then after 175 minus 225 is equal to minus 50. 225 minus 225 is equal to 0. Next 275 minus 225 is equal to 50. Next 325 minus 225 is equal to 100. Next 375 minus 225 is equal to 150. Next, ui is equal to di by h. What is the meaning of h here? Class size 100 to 150, difference 50. So 50 is called a class size. Di by h means minus 100 by 50 is equal to minus 2. Minus 50 by 50 is equal to minus 1. 0 by 50 is equal to 0. 50 by 50 is equal to 1. 100 by 50 is equal to 2. 150 by 50 is equal to 3. Next I need fi and ui. It means you have to multiply the f column and also u column. What is the f column here? U4. 4 into minus 2 minus 8. Next to 5 into minus 1 minus 5. 12 into 0 0. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4 and 5 threes are 15. Sum of negative values minus 30 and positive values 15 plus 4 19. 19 plus 2 21. So minus 13 and 21. Here minus 13 plus 21 is equal to 8. Sigma fi ui is equal to 8. Similarly, what is the sigma fi means 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 14, 14 plus 12 26, 26 plus 5 31, 31 plus 4 35. 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 12 21, 21 plus 5 26, 26 plus 4 30. So from the table, assumed mean a is equal to 25, sigma fi is equal to 30 and sigma fi ui is equal to 8, h is equal to 50. What is the formula to find mean? Mean is equal to a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. A means 225 plus sigma fi means 8 by 30 into 50. 0 0 gets cancelled. So 225 plus 8 5 is 40. 5 3. 3 1s are 3. Remaining 1 10. 3 3s are 9. 1 7 10. So 13.3. So 225 plus 13.3 is equal to. So mean of the table is 238.3. So today's homework complete 14.1 exercise problems. You have to find the mean. You can use step deviation method or direct method or assumed mean method.